Number 10.
The Falkland steamer duck is a steamer duck found in the Falkland Islands in Atlantic Ocean. It is one of the 2 bird species found in Falkland. Their wings are very short and that's why they can't fly. They are mostly dark gray in color with a white stripe behind the eye.
Number 9.
Rias generally found in the South American region and is locally known as guarani. They look similar to an ostrich with gray-brown plumage, long legs and long necks. They grow up to 170 centimeters tall at the head and 100 centimeters at the back and can weigh up to 40 kilograms. Rias are vegetarian but also eat insects infrequently such as grasshoppers and small reptiles.
Number 8.
Kiwis are around the size of a normal chicken, found in New Zealand. They lay the largest egg, according to their body size, of any species of bird in the world. The kiwi is a national symbol of the New Zealand. They grow up to 45 centimeters in height and weigh about 3.3 kilograms.
Number 7.
The elephant birds are flightless that once lived on the island of Madagascar. They extinct in the 18th century and the reason is still unclear. The researcher believes that they were more than 3 meters tall and closer to 400 kilograms, was the world's largest bird at that time. Their eggs are 1 meter in circumference.
Number 6.
The moa are 9 species of flightless birds endemic to New Zealand. Now they are extinct but the largest species reached about 3.6 meters in height and weighed around 230 kilograms. All species of moa were wingless, even lacking of vestigial wings which all other ratites have.
Number 5.
The cassowaries are found in the tropical forests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia. Their diet includes mainly fruits as well as some small insects. They are 1.8 meters tall and weigh up to 55 kilograms. They can jump up to 1.5 meters and are good swimmers.
Number 4.
The inaccessible island rail is the smallest flightless bird. The rail has an average weight of 30 gm and length of 17 centimeters. Rail is half dark brown and half dark gray in color with a short black bill and a red eye. They generally eat earthworms, moths and seeds.
Number 3.
The emu is the largest bird native to Australia. There are 3 subspecies of emus in Australia. They are soft-feathered and brown flightless birds, can reach up to 2 meters in height. They have long thin legs and can sprint at 50 kilometers per hour. Emu are good swimmers and can ingest stones and metals to grind food in the digestive foods.
Number 2.
The ostrich is the largest living bird on the earth. They are about 2.7 meters in height and weigh around 157 kilograms. They have long legs and can run up to 70 kilometers per hour. The ostrich's diet consists mainly of plants but sometimes they also eat some insects. They farmed around the world for its feathers.
Number 1.
The penguin is the most popular and famous flightless bird. They are not found only in cold climates such as Antarctica, but also a species of penguin lives near the equator. The average adults are about 1.1 meters tall and weigh 35 kilograms or more. Most penguin eats fish, squid etc. They spend half of their life on land and the remaining half in the ocean.